Colton, what are you doing right now?
Cooking beef fast. Little kimchi, little shit, what do you call it? Call it cabbage stuff, napa.
Cabbage, maybe napa.
It might be napa, might be bok choy. Not really sure, but here we are.
I'm not sure if I got this in focus.
You should be able to see via the lines. If it's in focus.
There we go. I think I got it.
Remember, you can always just pause and take B-roll too. Because, you know, one continuous shot won't get us anywhere. It's gonna be like our home video stuff too.
Yeah. First time cooking in Japan. I think most of my videos are of you cooking.
Mostly, probably. This is okay.
Let's see, we have an IH heater, which is infrared heating.
For you plebes that don't know.
I was once a plebe.
Yeah, me too. I mean, I knew of infrared heating because of turkey cookers back home.
Oh yeah, I used to use one at work when I worked.
Yeah, our clothes are done.
Oh, well, we'll have to show you about that later. We got some beef. We bought at the supermarket, the Life supermarket, here in Osaka, Japan. Got some enoki mushrooms, kimchi. This is a lot of food.
But like, you split that in half. We can both eat that, and then
Heck
put
yeah.
the rest in a Tupperware.
For real. Good, healthy breakfast. Right now it's about, I think, 8 a.m.
Just a little past 8 a.m. probably, to be honest.
I was talking to my friend Suki this morning, and she said that she was just getting off work.
She's just getting off work, we're just rising. Yeah, this looks like a fun mangled mess of veggies and meat. Fuck yeah. That's right, this is rated NC-17. There's sex involved too.
Whoa.
Because NC-17 is like sexual for some reason.
That's America.
Yeah.
We're not in America anymore. Alright, let's try to get this baby on like pure good focus. There we go. Spices under our drying rack. Ooh, a Pikachu cup. That one's cute. Got that at the Pokemon Center in Tokyo. And this is where we keep our spices. Shh, don't tell anyone.
Open this. I don't know how to open it.
Do you need kitchen scissors?
I have no idea. It's like this came off.
Everything's really hard to open in Japan. I think it's a grinder. It's a salt grinder.
Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't do that part.
Oh.
Oh wait, maybe it does. Maybe I'm stupid.
Easy.
Okay, I'm gonna put this back on real quick.
This is our expensive salt. It was like $5 for this tiny little thing. Excuse me, 500 yen.
Yeah, we'll get used to it.
Excuse me, 500 yen.
500 yen.
Good job.
Let's just let that simmer for a minute.
Ooh, look at that.
Tiny spoon to taste my tiny sauce.
Oh, that's perfect. I didn't even think of that. Alright, well, I'm gonna get you doing it one more time. There we go.
Oh.
Yeah, we haven't gotten internet yet, so.
Here we are.
Yep.
Internet free. It's really not that bad, to be honest. Like, I don't miss internet. Because I still have like 3G at least, so I guess I can't miss it very much, but I do miss fast internet. So I miss internet. I miss internet. I miss internet.
Yeah. Hey internet, we miss you.
I miss you, internet, Bobby.
Get back to cooking.
Yeah. Oh, damn. Works so fast. It's like instant.
You know, my high-tech Japanese apartment.
Got some mushrooms in there, you can't tell are in there anymore. Probably I should just drop some more in there.
アパートに住んでいます. I'm practicing my Japanese.
Nice. What did you just say?
I live in an apartment.
Oh, okay, so how did you say that again?
アパートに住んでいます.
Apartmentに住んでいます.
Yes. Maybe. We'll find out if we're wrong. The internet will tell us.
Remember, one long continuous shot is hard to edit.
I'm trying to... Okay. I guess I'll stop.
Mm-hmm.